Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, here I am decorating a table for one. So come on with me, guys. So this tablescape is budget friendly. I have some items from Hobby Lobby, but then I also have some thrifted items, and I also have items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. All right, so the charger came from Hobby Lobby and the dishware came from the Dollar Tree. It's so beautiful, guys. So if you see it there, make sure and grab it. Now the votive and the candle holder came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, let's move on over to the glassware. So the wine glass came from the Dollar Tree, and then the water glass, that was a thrifted item. So I'm moving stuff around, guys, until I like the placement. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm also loving this napkin fold that I learned to do, and I just go ahead and placed it right in the center, and then I'm going to be placing my flatware, and this flatware was on clearance at Walmart, so that was a really good buy. I think I paid $1.50 for the set, and it's just beautiful, guys. All right, so we are lighting the candle, so you know what that means. We're going to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.